The Realme XT is the first Realme device with a glass back design, though it retains the polycarbonate plastic midframe like usual. The Realme XT is also the first smartphone in the world to sport a 64 megapixel primary camera sensor, which is soon to be followed up by the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And if you remember, the Realme X had done awesomely well in its test. So in this video, let's check out the new Realme XT and find out if it does well like the Realme X or fails like the Realme 5 Pro. Apart from the similar Dolby Atmos feature and in-display fingerprint scanner, the Realme XT has some upgraded features over the Realme X, which includes a quad camera setup instead of dual cameras with extra ultra-wide sensor and a dedicated macro camera, a slightly bigger 4000 mAh battery capacity, a Super AMOLED display instead of AMOLED, and the Snapdragon 712 chipset instead of 710. Though the pop-up camera is replaced by the usual dewdrop notch design to house the selfie camera. And of course, the Realme XT is the only Realme device to get a glass back. Before moving on to the scratch test on the glass sandwich design, a quick word on the heavy gaming performance for you guys deciding to buy the Realme XT. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 processor coupled with the Adreno 616 GPU seems to be a great combination for handling heavy graphic intensive games without much lag or stutter. And as you can see, PUBG, which is notorious for being a heavy game, defaults at higher graphics, which is a good sign and makes the Realme XT an ideal device for heavy gamers for playing games like PUBG and Asphalt 8 and 9. As some of you might remember, the Realme X is the only device in the entire Realme series to survive my scratch test. But apart from that, every Realme device has this pre-applied plastic screen protector which seems to hide poor quality scratch-prone glass, mostly with no oleophobic coating. Is it the same story on the Realme X or not? We'll soon find out in the scratch and water test. In the scratch test, rubbing the tempered glass protection provided on the Realme XT to find out its quality you're paying for, with common items found in pockets and a heavy-duty box cutter. Higher quality glass protection and basic corning glass found even on cheaper Redmi devices have always managed to handle the blade abuse without suffering any major marks or scratches. On the other hand, most Oppo and Vivo devices in the budget range and every Realme device, with the exception of Realme X, have failed the blade with ugly scratch marks, like in the recently tested Realme 5 Pro and Realme 5. Will the glass protection on both the front and back of the Realme XT be able to survive the blade? Thankfully, the tempered glass protection on the Realme XT is of good quality, unlike the rest of the devices which failed, and becomes only the second device after the Realme X to pass my scratch test. Next, moving on to the sound test, to test out the audio quality of the bottom firing external speakers. The audio quality in terms of clarity and sharpness is pretty similar to the Realme X and Realme 5 Pro. And as expected, the Realme XT is one of the loudest in the market along with the likes of Xiaomi. Starting the water test as usual by checking the presence of an oleophobic coating on the tempered glass surface. An oleophobic layer aids in reducing fingerprint smudges, and its presence here is proved by the fact that water tends to roll off the glass surface in the form of droplets instead of sticking to it like in devices without the coating. Something interesting to note here is that Realme has not claimed any splash resistance on the Realme XT. Also, it does not have a rubber sealant on its SIM tray, though Realme had advertised the Realme 5 Pro as having splash resistance. Anyways, Realme devices have mostly done well in my water tests. Low and distorted audio is the most common effect of water on phones with no water resistance, which can last anywhere from a few seconds to many hours and can damage the display or sound unit. Besides that, it can also suffer issues like screen flicker or the screen going blank for several hours or total display damage like in the Asus Zenfone 5Z. Will the Realme XT be able to handle water accidents without any water resistance or IP rating? Even though in the initial stages, the distorted low audio took a few minutes to recover, the Realme XT was able to handle heavy drenching like a champ and passes the test without suffering any internal damage to the camera or display. Now moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Does the dual glass body of the Realme XT have any structural flaw that you should be aware of? After the first bend, the dual-sided glass and plastic midframe design suffers from a significant amount of flex, more from the display side than the back side. It stays in a slightly bent shape after the second bend, though it can be straightened out by reverse bending. But even after the high degree of flex, the Realme XT does not suffer from any internal damage, cracking sounds, or external damage like permanent screen separation, kinks or breaks, and passes my bend test. As some of you might be aware that the Realme 5 Pro had failed in its practical drop test even with the case on by suffering tiny cracks on the rear camera. The Realme XT also has a similar kind of camera bump which is pretty significant as you can see. So starting the drop test by dropping the Realme XT on hard floor with the company provided case and ordinary tempered glass.
Let's sing a song full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right back close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be
After 6 hard drops from pocket height, the Realme XT seems to be holding up pretty well, now with a 7 drop from 6 feet head height.
close to the sun.
After the unfortunate failure of the Realme 5 Pro, it's kind of a relief to see the XT doing so well in its drop test. Even though the drops were devastating, the Realme XT did not suffer software damage or external damage to its glass body, AMOLED display or camera unit and passes my drop test.